If you've ever struggled with tight spaces under the hood or around your vehicle, this Crowfoot wrench set is designed to make those jobs easier. Featuring both 3/8 and 1/2 drive sizes, it fits where standard sockets and wrenches simply won't reach. That means less frustration and more precision on your toughest repairs. This set includes 15 large Crowfoot wrenches, each shaped like a crow's foot to grip nuts and bolt heads in awkward spots. Whether you're working on cars, trucks, or larger vehicles, these wrenches give you the leverage you need to get the job done without stripping or slipping. Crafted from premium-grade chrome molybdenum steel, every wrench is heat-treated and drop-forged for maximum strength. This industrial-grade material delivers serious turning power, so you can tackle stubborn fasteners with confidence. It's a tool built to last through countless repairs. Storage and portability matter, too. Each wrench fits neatly into a blow-molded compartment inside a high-impact ABS case. This keeps your tools organized, protected from damage, and easy to carry wherever your work takes you. No more digging through cluttered toolboxes. Sizes range from 8 mm up to 24 mm, covering the most common flare nut sizes for both smaller and larger vehicles. This wide selection means you're prepared for a variety of repair tasks, whether it's routine maintenance or a complex fix. Customers praise the quality and versatility of this set, with many choosing to buy both metric and SAE versions. The durable case and wide range of sizes make it a reliable choice for professionals and DIYers alike. It's a smart investment in your toolkit. If you're looking for a practical, durable solution to hard-to-reach nuts and bolts, this Crowfoot wrench set is worth a look. Its combination of strength, size variety, and organized storage changes how you approach tricky automotive repairs. Ready to upgrade your tool collection? This Crowfoot wrench set delivers the toughness and precision you need. Try it when you're ready to tackle those difficult angles with ease and confidence.